helps to reduce stomach heat in summer, and helps boost the immune system. A drink made with the help of dates or raisins and water is called Nabeez. In this video we will need 2 ingredients, dates and water. Ingredients: dates, a handful water, 3 large glasses. Let me tell you how to make this drink. Wash the dates or raisins and soak them in water overnight. They drink water in the morning. Eat dates or raisins and drink water from the top which is soaked in water. Or blend it. It can be drunk one day, one night, then make fresh grapes as it evaporates due to evaporation. Note: use one of the dates or raisins. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.